Good morning, ma'am.
Hi.
Just a little bit down so I can see your eyes.
Sure.
That's okay. How are you?
Good.
Ma'am, you've not picked up another case. You're charged with terroristic.
Hold on a second. Terroristic threat might sound extreme, but legally, it can mean any threat that causes real fear, even if no weapon is involved. It's not just about what the person meant.
Threat. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot afford one. One will be appointed to you.
Judge, if I could just confirm the name.
Agbacielo.
On April 1st, 2025, a law enforcement officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas regarding a disturbance. Law enforcement officer made
What really matters is how the other person felt. Let's see how this plays out. Now, making a finger gun and saying I'm going to shoot you might seem ridiculous, but context matters. If that happens during a heated argument, would you feel threatened? Let me know in the comments.
contact with the second complaining witness who stated that he was inside the apartment when he heard the first complaining witness outside getting yelled at by the defendant. The second complaining witness went outside to see what was going on, and the defendant yelled at him to stop putting things in the pothole in the parking lot. The second complaining witness told the defendant he was fixing the hole, and the defendant threatened both the complaining witnesses, pointing
Because that's what this whole case is really about. At first, they said there were two people complaining. Now it sounds like there might only be one. That kind of back and forth doesn't look good in court. When it comes to legal cases, credibility is everything. And right now, this is starting to look shaky. And finally,
with their fingers, making a pistol shape with their fingers, saying, "I'm going to shoot you."
Wait, you said there were two complaining witnesses.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's what I have here. It says, "I'm going to shoot you," towards both complaining witnesses.
And we have Ms. Agbacielo making the alleged threats.
Correct, Your Honor.
Your Honor, there's only charged as one.
There's only, yeah,
Right.
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, who is the complaining witness?
Video strong.
Is it a known person? Because we have priors with Ms. Agbacielo and there are assaultive and, pretty dangerous priors. Any of the same complaining witnesses?
Does not appear so, Your Honor. I'm looking through. No, Your Honor. It seems like it's just, from what we can see, it's kind of just.
Was it a street worker? Was it someone working for the city or
It's someone that lives there, Your Honor.
just out there fixing the potholes?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ms. Agbacielo, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition.
the judge closes things out with a clear message. Don't get in trouble. Again, you can tell she's dealt with this kind of thing before. Is she showing a little grace, or just worn out from seeing the same situation over and over?
Bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We can give you time. So what I'll have you do now is I'll have you sign a receipt of victory while you take a seat, while we draft the bond conditions, we'll have you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please, ma'am, don't pick up any new cases. Just don't have contact with these people. I don't want to have to put you in jail,
Your Honor, it was the same thing the last time, the
Just,
last case.
just please be careful,
Yeah.
Really.
People make false allegations all the time.
And I get it. There's always two sides to the story. That's why you have a lawyer. That's why we'll give you time. But the evidence will point to whose side is correct.
Yeah, and I do have them.
So please.
Thank you.